Many people have developed a fear of being bored. For them, the idea of staying in the same place, doing the same thing for decades seems hard to fathom. What people don't realize is there's power in staying put and becoming the best at what you do. Repetition multiplied by faithfulness and consistency gives you the impact you'll have on this earth. As martial artist Bruce Lee stated, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." Take a look at your gifts and talents. Where do you think you can create the most impact for bringing positive change to this world? Find that place and stick with it. I'm Mac Hammond, and this is the Winner's Minute.